Yung bata. Yung bata mo kay Papa. Oh. It's not too cold. Your cigarettes. You told me that you stop your cigarettes. Why your cigarettes there now?
1 in 6 hours.
1 in 6 hours?
Yeah.
That's not good for Mirel. Look at Mirel. Can breathe that? Stop.
6 hours, 1 cig is okay.
Mirel, come here. Close the door. I can smell also. Mirel! Kagabi kasi guys, hindi yan makahinga sa ubo niyan si Peter.
Niet zo warm, Rozen.
Ay,
Ja,
naku.
hè. Mama,
Kakastress.
stop the music, of course.
Of course. Laki Papa talaga, tingnan mo. Laki Papa. Ito na. Ubo na. Paggabi guys, halos hindi yan siya makahinga sa ubo. Naku, hindi talaga nakikinig to si Afam. Alam niyo guys, wala talaga kang problema dito sa aking Afam boys. Napakaswerte ko kasi napaka-supportive, mapagmahal. Hindi lang ako at saka mga anak kong minahal niya guys. Mga alalahanin. Pamilya ko sa Pinas guys, halos kung saan nga yung mahirap lang. Yun yung kabutihang tao. Yung may mga pera na mga Afam, no? Walang pakialam sa pamilya. Ito talaga Pinoy ang ugali. Pero ito lang problema namin. Ang pananigarilyo niya. Hindi niya talaga maiwan-iwanan. Sobrang nagkakasakit siya pag iniwan. Ilang beses na yan siya nag-attempt iniwan yung kanyang sigarilyo. Nagkakasakit siya guys. So now. What's wrong? Come here. Come to mama. Come. 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 Stop this one na. 2 hours, 4 hours na. Wait lang. Check. Hindi naman to masakit guys. Ano to? Ito, mabilis lang to tanggalin. The sticker of Mickey Mouse. Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh, put it back your eyeglasses. Put it back your eyeglasses na. Oh. Tawid ko sleep na. Alas 8 na ng gabi guys. Pero tignan mo naman. Maliwanag pa sa labas. Alas 9, alas 10 po yung dito pag summer guys. Ang araw takip silim. Tulog na kami alas 8 na. Tulog tayo lang ka? Hindi kasi ito nakatulog eh. Kasi nagising siya kanina alas mag-11. Gising niya. Grabing tulog niya. Wala kasing pasok. Walang guys, yung therapy center. Bukas pa.
Come on, Joe.
Yeah, let's
Music.
yeah, close.
I'm gonna check my WhatsApp. It's playing music on it. Oh, Joe.
Look, Papa na. Look, Papa there na. Come on. Look. Put your Papa in your pocket.
Papa Joe. Papa Joe.
Go get your Papa. Put in your pocket. You said I want to stop now cigarettes. Look. Only 6 hours. You said.
I said weekend.
Weekend? Why only weekend? You need to stop.
Of course I
You need to
stop.
start now to stop. You know, Mirel is, the problem of Mirel is lungs. Very weak, very
That's not
dangerous. That's not a problem, are you sure?
It's my own problem, Mama.
That's your own problem. That's also Mirel's problem. It's my problem also.
I'm not smoking in the house here.
No, even not our house. The smoke comes to your clothes. And you kiss for Mirel.
Ah, that is so.
You not look.
Mini.
Look,
man.
go wash your hands now.
If he's one time outside
Oh
and
my
somebody
God.
grilling,
Not for the grilling. This is for the cigarettes.
let me talk.